in many of the units, we want to know how much air is going out and how much air is coming in. For that, we use airflow measuring station. It measures the air as it passes in the ductwork to go inside the unit, and sometimes as it leaves the unit. That way we can track exactly how much air is going in and coming out. Type of airflow measuring station. So they go straight through from one end of the ductwork to the other, and these we use to kind of monitor the flow. As the air passes through, we kind of monitor the air, and we're able to detect how much air via calculation is going through the ductwork, and we can set things like how much air should be in the building. We can monitor things and measure things a lot better, how much to put out, how much to put in, and it's just a much better way to work. They have a device that, of course, that they're connected to, and then from there it takes it back to the controller, and we're able to do a calculation and see the actual volume of air that's passing by, going back and forth. And that's how we get the airflow measuring across the unit.